Good afternoon. It is February the 5th and we have just come off a momentous day. Our software does a lot of the work for you. It'll put a B under a letter and S over the letter when you should be long or shorter conditions favor the market selling or buying. The S or B's are for trending conditions. The retest failure, which I'm not going to bother to show today, there were plenty of those trades too, is for bracketed markets. So day session only, just any of the trade work. This first trade here, you were in at 43, lousy trade location. This trade right there, you were in at 45, not very good trade location in relation to that low, but it was a winning trade. You came out of that trade right here on the close of that particular bar. This buy right here, just taking the buy right there, was a winning trade. You came out of that trade right here. This S, that S, that S, or that S, all of them were winning trades. You came out of that trade right here. I'm not going to keep score because it's ridiculous on a day-to-day, and it's not a day, we're not expecting a 150-point range every day. But what I just want to show you is that this S right here was a winning trade. This buy, a counter trend trade, was a winning trade. Beautiful retest failure trade here that we don't count. This monkey trade, a winning trade. Come out of it right here. This buy, a loser. You were put in that trade by one tick. Missed that trade, which was a winner. And you're really not thinking about being long, but that's -3. This trade right here, you're short in the 98 area. The market X-ring right here, you're out in the 64 area, 98 to 64. That's 34 points. That's a huge trade. This S right here, lots of volatility. You're in right here. You stop out on that one. This buy, so this S right here gave you -3. This buy right here was a winning trade. Then you finish off the day with a winning trade right there. The software does the work for you. Should I be long? Should I be short? Tough decisions for most traders. But you can see right here on a day this big, counter trend trades, regular trades, whatever. There are two losers on this, taking every trade as it popped up with just a B or an S. And it would have put thousands of dollars in your pocket if you'd taken these signals when you dip. And we're going to give new visitors 5 free days in the main room where you get to see the software, the methodology, me work live real time. You'll get all the answers you need to know about whether our service is right for you or not. Looking forward to seeing the main room for your 5 free days where you get to examine the profile, the software, the charts, the analysis, and see if it's right for you. Good trading in the meantime.